Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renee Roden. If you have not already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and drop a comment below. Also, ring that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time when I post new content. Today's video is going to be this beautiful headband wig that I have on today. And I am actually so in love with this. It is 100% human hair. I am just going to show you how I prepare my hair and install this beautiful headband wig so that I can wear it effortlessly and easily throughout the day without the fear of it coming off of my head. And my hair is absolutely protected, so this is a part of our protective style series. So if you'd like to see how I get this gorgeous headband wig look, please stay tuned and let's get right into this video. Our beautiful headband wig is from Amella Hair. All of the hair details will be linked down in the description box below. It comes in this really pretty red satin bag, which I would use for traveling with this hair. It is in another bag, which is a heavy-duty Ziploc bag, and it keeps the hair free of moisture, dust, and any little critters that may want to nest in your wig when it's out of use. The company also sent over a free headband, and also a really cute set of 3D false lashes. This wig is a 20-inch body wave, and it is giving 150% density. It is also 100% human hair. They also threw in extra wig combs just in case. The hair is neatly laid in this hairnet. The first thing the headband features is a comfortable headband that is attached to the wig, as well as a sturdy Velcro attachment in the back of the wig. Once we turn the wig inside out, there is a nice brown lace cap. The edges of the wig has 3 combs for the front and 1 for the back. It also has 2 of these straps inside that work just like a bra strap, and you can hook it into one of the holes to tighten the wig. The hair is super tangle-free, lightweight, airy, and flowy. Now it is time to install. We are doing this style on freshly washed hair. It's always best too because you don't want your scalp itching right off the bat. I am spraying my hair with the Silk Elements olive oil heat protectant and smoothing it all over my hair. I always air dry my hair, but today we are blow drying so that we don't have a wet scalp and wet hair. Do you know mildew can occur if your hair is left wet and unable to dry for extended periods? I'm applying the Eco Naturals Lock-In Conditioner to soften and hydrate the hair. I did make a video last week using this product as well as much more, so that will be linked down in the description box below. To moisturize the hair and scalp, I am using the African Pride Moisture Miracle, and I am massaging it through the hair and into the scalp. You don't want to experience any breakage under your wig. I have my Got To Be glued styling spiking glue, and I'm applying it to the edges and smoothing down the hairline. You want the hair to be smooth because we are going to do a braid, so the hair can be as flat as possible under the wig. You want to start by taking a small portion out of the beginning of the section. Now I am splitting this section into 3 even pieces, and then I am taking the hair in my right hand and crossing it over to the middle, and then crossing the left hand over the middle, holding the hair secure. I am following along the front of my hair instead of braiding directly back. You want the wig combs to have something to hold on to instead of loose hair because it will take your edges right out. I am braiding all the way out to the ends. I went ahead and finished the other side, and I am taking 2 hairpins and securing the braids in the back to the opposite side. Unfortunately, they didn't send a wig cap, but you can improvise by using a bandana, a swim cap, or a clean pantyhose. This is a pair of pantyhose that was too light for my skin tone, so I am rolling and bunching up one leg, and then I am going to pull it on directly where it's the tightest and is able to fit on my fat head. Pull it on all the way and cover your face. I am taking my scissors and cutting off the other leg so that we can use that one for another time. I'm holding the end where I cut and pulling it back over my face so there is a fold over. I am taking it to the area of the hair where we want to place the wig. Having this roll over helps to give a tighter and flatter look and feel. I cut off the extra bit of pantyhose to get rid of any extra bulging with the material. Now it's time to lay the edges to however you like to wear them. I wanted to show you all the synthetic wig that I purchased 2 weeks ago. The curls are beautiful and hold really well. The hair has great density at 180% and the length is 22%, but it's only been 2 days that I wore the wig and the hair is already super ratty and difficult to comb through. For me, it isn't worth the time and effort, so I encourage you all to invest in a human hair wig. Onto our beautiful human hair wig now. The first thing is tightening the wig by hooking in both of the straps as tight as you need them. If you don't hook these, it will get caught in your real hair or it will hang outside of your wig. I'm holding the wig by the front of the headband with the cap facing to the sky and flipping it onto my head. You can place your wig wherever you feel it's most comfortable, either more to the left or right, or even closer or farther from your hairline. Feel for the combs in the cap and lay them under your wig cap and directly into the braids and lay them in flat. Once they are in, reach under your cap and pull the sides and the back of the cap into place over your hair. Now continue sticking your combs into your hair. You can skip the rest of them, but I like a more secure feel. Grab both ends of the headband and bring them to the back of the head to secure the Velcro. Make sure it isn't clasped onto your real hair because it hurts. You can put the hair up to make this step easier. Now take the attached headband and fold it over to expose your hairline. They recommend you use a wide tooth comb to detangle, so I'm using the wet brush to comb the hair out. This is a 20-inch body wave. I am 5'7" and this reaches me at the midpoint of my back, past bra strap length. I'm so happy with this hair. Honestly, I am excited for what fall and winter holds for us because we won't have wet hair when we go outside. It's always good to give your curly hair a break, so this is a wonderful protective style. You can wash it, style it in different ways, and apply heat since it's human hair. It's so soft, flowy, lightweight, and beautiful. I love the hair's natural shine. I'm applying the free headband they gave us and I'm adjusting it right over the black one. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video and this is the final headband look. I hope that you love how we got to this installation and how we're going to wear this hair so easily and effortlessly without the fear of our weave falling out or a headband just just getting tossed off in the wind. But the hair is so secure. You can do so many different styles with it. You can wear it up in a ponytail. So if we fix this properly, you can wear it up in a ponytail. You can wear it in half up, half down styles as well. And you can wear it up in a bun without being too concerned about anyone seeing what they shouldn't. And this is just one of the most perfect things I've ever found without having to go through the hassle of gluing and putting on a lace front wig or getting my hair sewed in. So this is super easy and super simple, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.